Alright, good morning, boys and girls. Teacher Jordan here with, everyone say paper. Paper. Let me get that well adjusted. Alright, again, everyone say paper. Very good. Again, paper. Okay, we said that a lot of times now. So, what am I going to do with this paper? We're going to do something I loved to do in class when I was in America. As a student, as a little kid. It's called a paper airplane. Now, I don't know if you know how to make these or not, but we're going to learn how today, okay? Everyone, let's follow me. Alright, so we've got our paper right here. Now, we're going to want to fold this bad boy, so please get your paper out with me. Make it nice and flat. Alright, now we're going to want to fold this in half, just like this. You don't always have to be so perfect, but try your best, okay? Just like this. Okay? Just like that. You want to fold in half. Now bring it back. This is going to help you know what to do, okay? So, what I want you to do is I want you to fold to that middle line. See how the line is right here? We want to fold this part in a triangle. Everyone say triangle. Very good, triangle. Okay, I like to use my fingernail to really make it flat. There we go. Nice and flat. You can do the other side too if you really want to, just to make it extra flat. Alright, see this triangle? Good, now we have this big rectangle. Everyone say rectangle. Very good. So we want to take the rectangle and we also want to make it into a triangle. Just like before. So, this piece of paper has lines and I can follow the lines to make it perfect. Alright, just like this. Alright. Good, now we have two triangles and one rectangle, right? Okay. Now you want to use that fold earlier. Okay, but first, let's do it. There's many ways to do it from here, so I don't know which way I want. How about this? Let's do it this way. Fold inward like this. And then do the same on the other side. So I want to get it exactly right. And if I want to get it exactly right, then that means I'm going to have to do it like this. So I know where the line is. So I'm going to fold it backwards. Remember backwards? I'm going to fold it backwards so I know where the line is. And then I fold it on itself. Like this. Maybe you get mom or dad to help you. But you don't have to do this part. It's okay to skip this one if it's a little hard. This will be for the older kids to try. Alright. So we have that shape ready. And then you fold it over this way. When you fold it over this way, it should be perfect like this. Okay? Now it's a big funny triangle. Everyone say, ha 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 ha, funny triangle. Very good. Thank you, everyone. We have a big funny triangle. Alright, so we're going to take this funny triangle. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to fold it one more time. Let's fold it one more time. There's so many ways to fold a paper airplane, so you can do different things if you want to. There's no perfect way. But I think I'm feeling more like I need to do this. So fold them to the middle. There we go. Now we have a square. A square is a perfect rectangle. Every side is exactly the same. Here, 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 and here, exactly the same. So we have one big square, and I don't really know what the name of this shape is. I'm just going to call it a funny rectangle or a funny triangle. Either way. Alright, don't tell my linear algebra teacher. 线性代数教授, don't tell him, because he will not be happy with me if I don't know what shape it is. Just kidding. Alright, so I'm going to make this nice and flat because there's some problems here. Sometimes you make a small mistake, it's okay. Alright, so now we got this. Now you want to fold this way. It's fun to fold. Just keep folding, and then flip it to the other side and fold again. It looks like we're just doing the same thing over and over, except we have a difference now. Now we have the wings. See that? I still don't like the shape of this, so I'm going to open it up and fold the square in, just like that. I'm going to turn the square into a triangle, and then I'm going to fold it again. Do I like it? No, I don't like that. It's too many squares. Alright, so instead, I'm going to go back to this part. I'm going to fold it like this. Now we have 3 triangles. 1, 2, 3 triangles. I'm going to fold it in like this, and fold it down like that, and down like that. Alright, that's not too bad. I still don't like it, but... it's good enough. And this is one type of paper airplane you can make. There's many more, but this one's a boxy one. All you gotta do is take it in your hand, like this, and throw, like that. Okay? So you just take it like this. Oops. I hit the phone. And you can go, whee! Alright, let's try it. Are you ready to fly it? Now, if your paper airplane looks different, it's okay. Many ways are okay. Let's go ahead and fly this one. 3, oh, let's give her a name, okay? Let's see, I think we should name her Barbie, okay? No. Yeah, we'll say Bobby, actually. We'll do Bobby. Because I know there have some students that like to call me Bobby. So we'll just say Bobby. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, mine wasn't that great. Okay, this time I gave it another triangle right here, made it pointy again. But it's actually a lot heavier here. So instead of grabbing back here, I should grab closer to the front because it's all the weight is right around here. Okay. Now let's grab it and fix it up just a little bit and go. Hey, that was pretty good. That went all the way. I don't know if you could see it or not. This time I'm going to stand behind the camera and aim for the door. Wah! Hey, it did a little loop-de-loop. I hope I got that on camera. Okay, let's try one more time. And 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, that one just kind of went straight down. All right. What's cool is you can write a note to your friends. Maybe like a heart. Or maybe you can say, I love you, Mom, I love you, Dad. And you can put it in here. You can write it, fold it, and give to Mama and Daddy. Or any of the teachers. Teacher Jordan, Teacher Sharon, Teacher anybody. Whee! Oops. Alright, everyone. We're going to now read from the story called Pete the Cat. It's been a long time since I've read, so let's see what Pete the Cat is doing. Pete the Cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, colorful, round, groovy buttons. He loved his buttons so much, he sang this song. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. Whoa. Uh-oh. One popped off. One of the buttons popped off and rolled away. This is to roll. Can you roll? I can, but only on my side. Roll, 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 roll. Roll! All right. How many buttons are left? Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. Pot! Uh-oh. There goes another button. I think he needs to have a good mom or dad that can help sew that one up. Oh, Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 1, 2. And do you know what this one is? Skateboard. Everyone say skateboard. How about we hold up just a moment? I have something to show you. I have to unlock my door. Oopsie. Oh man, there we go. Alright, so what does Teacher Jordan have? Do you know what's in this bag? Some of you may know what Teacher Jordan has in the bag because you remember. Wah ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. It's a skateboard. Teacher Jordan has a skateboard. Have you ever rode a skateboard before? No? How about rollerblades? Have you ever tried rollerblades? They're pretty fun. I think you should try them. Getting exercise in sports is pretty good. Alright, so now we have 2 buttons left. 2 is represented by 3 minus 1. We take 1 away, and now we have 2. Like this. 3, woo, get rid of 1, now we have 2. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Everyone say no. No, he did. Or sorry, no, he didn't cry. Buttons. Oops. Buttons come and buttons go. Huh? What? It's empty? Good job. That's right. You're supposed to pay attention. I don't do this every day, but when one of these goes missing, you say, oh, Teacher Jordan! And then I say, good job. Okay? Okay. Let's go back. All right, he kept on... What? Huh? The pink one? Very good. Everyone say pink. Good job. Yellow and pink. Okay, I'm going to have to turn this over. Good job, everyone. Okay. Remember, when it's gone, whoop, then you say, Teacher Jordan. And say, oh, okay. All right. Let's go back. He kept on singing his song. My buttons. My buttons. My 2 groovy buttons. My buttons. My buttons. My 2 groovy buttons. Boing, boing. Oh, no. Huh? What? Again? Very good. You guys are smart. I know some of you noticed that. Yellow is gone. It looks like pink is next. Okay, let's be watching pink. And the story. Poop. Everyone say pop. 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 Very good. Pop. The button is gone. Another button popped off and rolled away. Everyone say roll. How many buttons are left? 2 minus 1 is ding. Very good. 1. Good job. Huh? Really? Wow, you guys are pretty good. Yes. Pink is gone again. Say bye-bye, Pink. All right, let's try this again. All right, everyone. Now, I told you that exercise is good for you, right? So it looks like it's time for us to do some exercise. The first thing you want to do is you're going to want to drink some water, okay? It's always good to drink water. I know this looks like Coca-Cola, but I put water in the bottle. All right? Nice cold water. All right, everyone, let's drink some more water. That's really good. Always start off your workout with some water. Not Coke, but water. Okay? All right, everyone, are you ready? All right, let's do some jabs. Everyone say jabs. All right? You put your arms up like this, and you go forward, okay? You're gonna use your stomach too. Your stomach and your arms, you have to feel them, and you have to feel it here, here, and here, okay? Okay, let's try it. Everyone, 3, 2, 1, go. Hua, 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 hua. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, everyone. I guess I have to just do the voice, right? Very good, everyone. Okay, let's go for the next round. Whew, whew. This time we're starting with our left. Excuse me. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Ooh. Very good, everyone. All right, we're gonna have to do a little stretch because it's about time for today. All right, everyone stretch up and down, up and down. Do not breathe with your mouth, breathe with your nose. No mouth, nose. Very good. Do not breathe too much nor too little. Breathe just right, okay? Let's go up, down, up, down. All right, everyone. Hua, hua, hua. That was some jabs for today. We also done some paper airplanes. And, oh, I think I didn't hear you earlier. Yes, pink and yellow are both gone. If you said, then very good. All right, this is... oh, I need to get out the voice. All right, everyone, this is Teacher Jordan, and it's time to say our goodbyes. Are you ready? You have to say, goodbye, Teacher Jordan. Can you do it? 3, 2, 1. Very good. Goodbye, students. I want you to have a good day and have fun and make some paper airplanes, okay? All right, see ya.